Hello everyone, welcome to your chapter 4 problem section. In this chapter you learned a lot about for loops, while loops, lists, dictionaries, some of these loop statements like continue and break, and you learned about how to integrate that all together a little bit with if statements as well. So we're going to take that to the next level. We're going to integrate both the for loops and while loops alongside if statements to do a simple task. We're going to get you to create a guessing game. Essentially what I want you to do is create a script that will receive an input function asking people, the user, how many guessing games they want to play. And then the computer is going to pick a number between 1 and 25. And you as the player need to input numbers to find out to find out what the number is, and you need to record how many guesses, and you need to also have the computer respond to the user higher or lower, so they know, they can like pinpoint what number they've picked. Okay, so you need to build loop statements with this. You're going to need a for loop and a while loop. There are probably other ways to do it, but like based on our knowledge, a while loop and a for loop is going to be absolutely critical, and there's got to be an if conditional statement in there, absolutely. Okay, so these are the functions and logic that you're going to need to think about when you deal with this problem. Look at the random package. I'll show you how to do that at the beginning of the problem, but if you want to import a function, we'll show you. You go import and then random integer. The next thing you're going to have to learn is if statements. You'll have to use while loops, for loops, and maybe this try and except that I showed you previously. So this is all the stuff we've seen before in our chapters, but we're going to put all of this together. Okay, guys? So let us move into Jupyter Notebook and show you the answer to this in a moment. Okay? So if you want to try and figure that out for yourself, go ahead and come back to the answer section shortly.